Atishi will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi, viewers. That's the news that we are breaking right now. You heard it first here. The name will be Atishi, no longer just the front runner. That's the news. It's Atishi as the new Chief Minister of Delhi. It had come down to two names. Atishi had pulled ahead, and now that is going to be the final name that will be announced a short while from now. My colleague Amit is with us. Amit, we can confirm it is Atishi who will be the Chief Minister of Delhi.
Yes, Preeti. As you know, this is a big stamp on India Today news break. We had told that Atishi is the front runner for the CM's post in the national capital. And as we said, you know, everything has happened as discussed. Number one, you had Sandeep Pathak briefing the MLAs. Number two, the Chief Whip of Delhi Assembly, Dilip Pandey, putting a proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will put forward the name.
Amit Bhardwaj, we're going to try and reconnect to Amit. But, you know, this is exactly what we told you, viewers. It is Atishi who is now going to be the interim caretaker Chief Minister of Delhi. Now, will elections happen as soon as November that Arvind Kejriwal had asked for or had pleaded when he gave in his resignation or said he's going to give his resignation? Not quite, because it seems the EC is not ready. So you're going to have a 5-month-long Chief Minister, which is more than the term of Sushma Swaraj, because the shortest term for a Chief Minister, and it's strange because she's also, or coincident at that she's also a woman, was a 3-month term of Sushma Swaraj. And in all probability, if elections are not announced in less than 3 months, Atishi's tenure will overshoot that of the shortest tenure of a Delhi CM under Sushma Swaraj. I want to go back right now to Amit Bhardwaj joining us for more. Amit, take it away. Take us through on how Atishi's name was announced, because the Legislative Party was very short and quick. You had at one end Sandeep Pathak, who came in, then Dilip Pandey mooted the motion that Arvind Kejriwal will decide, and now we do know that it's going to be Atishi.
Yes, Preeti, and everything what is happening in this particular meeting is happening in the way we had broken the story on India Today. Now, Arvind Kejriwal is briefing the MLAs in the Legislative Party meeting. So you had Dilip Pandey putting the proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will put forward name of his successor. Arvind Kejriwal took Atishi's name, and as we speak, Arvind Kejriwal is briefing all the MLAs about his decision of resignation and why he picked up Atishi as his successor. So that is happening right now inside the meeting, and I believe as that particular address by Arvind Kejriwal will be over, you will see further commotion at this spot where I'm standing right now, and you will see Saurabh Bhardwaj coming to that particular podium that's kept right in front of the 6 Flagstaff Marg residence, which happens to be the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. And after that, Saurabh Bhardwaj will make that official announcement, possibly along with the Chief Whip of the party, Legislative Party in Delhi, that is Dilip Kumar Pandey. Or maybe Sandeep Pathak could be also part of that particular delegation which will come out, and they will make the formal announcement. But we are bringing every news break which is happening inside the Legislative Party meeting right now. Dilip Pandey putting forward the proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will take name of his successor, and that has happened. Arvind Kejriwal took Atishi's name, and Arvind Kejriwal's proposal has been passed by the MLAs who were part of the legislative meeting, which essentially means the new leader of the Legislative Party of Delhi is Atishi. This means Atishi is the successor of Arvind Kejriwal. She will take over as Chief Minister of Delhi. And remember, we told on India Today to our viewers that Atishi is the front runner in this particular race to become Chief Minister. So she will carry forward the agenda and ideology of Arvind Kejriwal's social welfare schemes, and that will to ensure that it remains in continuation, no diversion is in the agenda of the AAP government in Delhi.